Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. Can y'all actually see me now? I redid my lighting. Your girl got her Macy's beauty box for April in. Y'all want to see what I got in it? Alright, my loves. Macy's beauty box. This is April's box. Now, you get it for $15 monthly. I waited over a year on the waiting list to receive this box. And y'all, it just hasn't been my cup of tea. I've gotten, I think, 3 boxes out of what, 6 or 7 that I've actually myself enjoyed. Now, there is very good products in this box, but the majority of it has been skincare. Skincare. Now, what I expected from Macy's was a variety of things. I mean, they have amazing skincare. They have amazing makeup. They have amazing hair care. Like, Macy's is a wonderful, amazing department store. I just honestly expected more. Now, last month's box, which I will link up there for you guys, was absolutely fantastic. They had a variety of things. It was my final decision box on whether I was going to keep it or not. And after that box, I decided I was going to keep it. Well, why does your girl look like she's getting ready to do a Mask Monday video? Y'all, I peeked in this box. Well, I didn't actually peek at the stuff. I peeked at the card. So, and there it went. I dropped it. Go figure. Why am I always dropping stuff here? Okay, my loves, it is back in my hand now. So, I peeked. The very first thing I got was this shower cap, which I'm actually very excited about. I really am. I needed a new shower cap. So I'm actually really happy that I did get a shower cap in my Macy box. Now, it looks like it's going to be a very purtiful shower cap. So we're just going to try to get into it. We got it. Here she is. A regular old vinyl shower cap that actually has a, okay, you guys, this was a bonus item in here. Fantastic. Yeah, look. All right, okay. That's not how you're supposed to wear it, but that's how we're going to wear it today. Yes, we are. Now, we're going to get on our handy-dandy glasses, you guys. And, we're just going to get into it. Let's see what we got. Okay, you always get your card that has the $5 off, $10 off this month. All right, there's your code if y'all would like to use it. Oh, it comes wrapped up in the cute little wrapping. Let's see if what is actually on our card is actually in our box. I always save my tissue paper, y'all know, to do little giveaways for you guys. Okay, it's all out. Ta-da! Okay, handy dandy card. Let's do this, you guys. All right, first thing we got, at Poor Cave, I'm a red wine sheet mask. Tony Moly, baby. I do like Tony Moly mask. I actually have this one. I've used it a few times. It is one sheet mask, and it is valued at, say, $3? Yes, $3 for the Tony Moly I'm red wine sheet mask. Sometimes at the end of a long day, you just need to put your feet up and crack open a packet of your favorite red wine mask. Am I right? Really though, red wine extract reduces appearance of enlarged pores, while an enriched essence of skin goodness gives you maximum hydration. Okay, y'all know we do like our skin mask. We do. Okay, set that aside. Next thing we have here, Clean Classic Rain. We actually got a perfume sample this month. Last month, we got this from the Broken Top Candle Company, the Sea Salt Surf. Oh, yeah, I love it. I keep it right there for when I need to relax and smell. So this month, we got Clean Classic Rain. The actual full size of this cost what? There it is. $44. It says, a soft scent of rain in a bottle. Don't mind if we do. Water, mint, and melon. Ooh. take you on a botanical journey with notes of woods, a fragrance that's fresh, simple, and comforting. We're going to spray this puppy. Maybe. Okay. Spray out here and make my allergies and stuff go nuts before we actually see if we like it or not. Oh, that is smelling good. It's a very, very soft scent. Okay, yeah, we like that. Again, the full size of this, $44, you guys. Next thing we have here is Mineral Fusion, Making a Beauty Healthy Nail Polish Remover. Okay, I'm liking this variety so far. Breaking news, you don't have to dry out your nails each time you change your polish. This gentle acetone-free formula, wait, this exists, easily removes even the darkest, most glittery shades of nail polish for a perfectly clean surface. $11.98 for the full size, you guys. So it doesn't have the milliliters in here on what a full size is. So I'm not sure if this isn't a full size, you guys. But I will definitely give it a try on these glitter nails, and I will post on Instagram how she works. Okay, we have quite a variety going on so far. Okay, Clarence Perry's Body Fit. What is this? Anti-cellulite contouring expert. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an award-winning in our midst. Meet Clarence's #1 firming launch of 2017. A cream gel that instantly absorbs to lift and firm your hips and thighs. What? Powered by Mother Nature herself. Full size, $71. We got this. Tiny little deluxe. Lift and firm your hips and thighs. You're supposed to apply it from ankles to waist with the palms of your hands. I know a few girls out there, this is one use for them. So I would assume this is just like any type of skincare type of thing. It takes a couple weeks to actually get the full results out of it. Here we go, guys. Any shorter people than me, I'm 5 foot tall. Y'all might get a couple uses out of this. Thanks so much, I think. $71 for the full size of this, guys. All right, we're not caring too much for that one. I mean, deluxe samples I had no qualms with, but at least give us enough that we can try it to see if we like it or not. Mario Badescu is our next thing. Coconut Body Scrub. You have permission to go nuts because this body scrub smells like a literal beach vacation. Gently buff and exfoliate your skin with rosehip oil, vitamin E, and even more good ingredients that instantly rejuvenate. Yay! Full size, $16 on this, you guys. It's a body scrub. And I bet it's got the little cappy thing. Oh, no. Okay, it just wants to come out and see me. And it smells like coconut. Okay. We're going to... Oh, it's still coming out. We're going to put the lid back on here. I think it's been under a little bit of pressure. Okay. Yeah, there's little, like, I don't know, little particles in it for the scrubbies exfoliant that I feel. That was really strange, you guys. Okay. Now that that is off, we got one more thing. Rituals of Sakura. I love this. Here, Caroline. Actually, yes, I really love it. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. The Ritual. Oh, it's a foaming shower gel. Oh. I said, here, Caroline. No. The other one I had, it was also a shower gel. And I think I got it in the BoxyCharm box. I got it when I first started doing my videos. I love this stuff, you guys. Full size on it is $12.50. Oh, it smells of cherry blossoms. Okay, it says, wake up and smell the cherry blossoms with an ultra moisturizing formula jam-packed with all the good stuff your skin loves. Organic rice milk is the perfect way to energize for the day or even relax in a nighttime bath. I love this stuff, you guys. I actually really like it. I thought I was going to be very upset with Macy's Beauty Box this month. Nope. Your girl is not. We have shower gel. We have nail polish remover. We have an exfoliating scrub. This Clarence Perez body lift. I wish we had more of it so that we could actually experience what it does. That would have been fantastic. I love the smell of the perfume sample, which I'm kind of glad they did put it back in here because, y'all, I haven't received my Macy's perfume samples that I normally get. And we also have the Tony Moly face mask. You guys, I am not mad at Macy's box this month again. All right, Macy's. Yeah! All right, loves, that is all. Again, Macy's is $15 a month. I had to wait a year to get off the waiting list for it, so if y'all want to sign up for it, my link will be down in the description for you guys, and your girl will see you in the next video. Let's don't forget about my little shower cap. All right, guys. Bye, guys.